In this lesson, we will solve question number 8th and 9th of exercise 1.1 linear equations and inequalities. And question we have, in this lesson, we will solve question number 8th and 9th of exercise 1.1 linear equations and inequalities. And question number 8, we have very easy question. 2x is equal to 8. We have to find out the value of x. And at the end we have to explain whether it is a linear equations or not. So we need see only x, we do not want this 2. So what we have to do, just divide it by this 2. Whatever we do on the left hand side or one side, you have to do to the other side as well. So this 2 and this 2 will cancel. So we have x is equal to 2 1 time 2 4 times 8. So see, x is equal to 4. Yes, it is linear equation. See, if it is, if the answer is x is equal to something, it means it is linear equations, right? Now, question number 9 is 3x is equal to 5. We want only the value of x. We do not want 3. So what is the relationship between 3 and x? Multiplication. If there is no sign, it means multiplication. So how we can remove this 3 from here, from the coefficient, if we divide? Because the opposite of multiplication is division. Whatever we do on one side of the equation, we have to do on the other side of the equation as well. This 3 and 3 will cancel each other. X is equal to 5 over 3. And see, again we have some value x is equal to 5 over 3. This is the linear equation, because this is the question. We have to find out whether it is linear or not. Yes, this is the linear equation. I hope everything is clear. Subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.